Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about JavaScript regular expression. Okay, here we are not going to talk about this example, but we will talk about the things related to regular expression. So first of all, some definition or meaning of some terminology. Regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. The search pattern can be used for text search and text replace. This both the things, either you can search or either you can replace. Okay, when you search for data in a text, you can use this search pattern to describe what you are searching for. Okay, a regular expression can be a single character or more complicated pattern. It is obviously depends on the question or project or program requirement actually. And the syntax for this will be slash pattern slash modifiers and semicolon. Okay, so that example we will talk about afterwards. First of all, using the string method, that is the heading in JavaScript, regular expressions are the often used with the two string methods. One is search function and one is replace function. The search function method uses an expression to search for a particular match, okay, and returns the position of the match. That is the search function method. And replace function method will return a modified string where the pattern is replaced. Like if you want to replace Google with Microsoft, then you can use replace. Okay, and if you want to some line of text is there and you want to find particular word position of that, then you can use this search function. See here example is there. Okay, let text equal to visit w3schools.com. okay, fine. Let n equal to text, that is this variable name, dot search. So we are going to search w3 schools, but from where? It will search from this text variable. So yes, w3 schools is there, yeah, agree. So it is at which position? So if we start from here 0 1 2 3 4 and then space is 5 space, yeah, and then 6. That's why we are getting answer as what? 6. And obviously suppose you want to if you want like case insensitive actually. Okay, like here you all can see slash, then w3 schools, then again slash, and then we are writing what? I. Okay, what it means is if your w is not in uppercase, if it is okay, if it is uppercase, if it is lowercase, still you search. Okay, other than that program is similar only, and again we are getting output as what? 6. Now coming to the replace function. Replace means what? You have to replace something with something, obviously. So here replace specified value with another value in a string. Okay, so we have one button, we have created one button. When you will click on that button, it will jump to my function. So my function is this part. Okay, so if I click on this button, it will jump to my function. What is there in the my function? Text dot replace. So wherever Microsoft is there, it will get replaced with what? w3 schools. That is the replace function. Now regular expression modifiers, as we discussed just now only here in the previous part. I. Why we have used I? Because it performs case insensitive matching. G, it performs the global matching, that means it will find all. It M performs multiple line matching. D, it will start it performs start and end matching. Now the regular expression patterns. Okay, now it is very important. Brackets are used to find a range of characters. If it is square bracket and if you are writing ABC, it will find any character from A, B or C, or if you are writing in this square bracket whatever your data. Okay, then square bracket 0 to 9, it will find any digits between 0 to 9. Then round bracket and X and then line, that is OR, and then Y, it will find any of the alternatives separated with OR, that means either X or Y. Meta characters are the characters with the special meaning. Okay, so we have a slash D that will find a digit, slash S that will find a white space character, and slash small b it will find a match at the beginning of the word like this, if it is slash b and then you are writing your word, or at the end of word like word and then slash b, slash u and then xxxx. It will find Unicode characters specified by the hexadecimal number. And if it is capital D, reverse of this, capital S, reverse of this, capital B, reverse of this. That means capital D means obviously non-digit, capital S means other than white space character everything. Okay. Then quantifiers. Quantifiers define the quantities. Like right now, do not focus on n. Focus on this symbols or signs plus multiplication and question mark. So it will match any string which contains at least one n. It will match any string which contains 0 or more occurrence of n. See, at least one, it is plus sign. 0 or more occurrence, asterisk sign. 0 and only one occurrence, then question mark. This is very important. N is not important because I can write A also, B also, C also, whatever I want to write I can write. Only thing is plus sign, at least one, asterisk sign, 0 or more, question mark, 0 or 1. See, 0 or more you can use like digits, mobile number, it is 987, something like this. Okay, so here so many digits are there, you can use asterisk sign. Okay, then question mark if you want only 0, or you can say that what, 1. Suppose if we write www.google.com, but before that we write http. So if you do not write, still it is fine, but if you are writing, obviously you are going to write only one time, http. Okay, so that is all about some terminology related to regular expression. In my next video we will talk more about regular expression with example also and some more terminology. So thank you everyone.